Anna and this is my advanced car information form. So to start out, I will just show the functionality. So say I have a Honda CR-V, a 2003, the price is $3,000 and I'll have 3 of them, and my car is going to be red. For the image URL, this isn't the exact car, but it shows how it works. So I'll paste that in there, hit submit, and down below in my gallery has started. You can see my car, the name, the quantity. Next, if I have a Honda Element 2008, it'll be more expensive, $5,000. And for this one, I'll just have 2 cars, and we'll make this car, we'll go black. Copy the image URL, paste that in here, submit, it's down here now. And then for this last one, we'll do Mercedes, I don't know Mercedes, so I'll go LS. We'll make this a 2023. It's going to be a lot more expensive. And we'll have 4 of these. And we're going to make this one silver for testing and submit this one. Okay, so all of my images have populated here in the gallery. The total price here, sort the cars by price, they're already sorted there. The most expensive car is going to be the Mercedes, and the least expensive car is going to be the Honda, and the average price is $6,555. So now sort by color, we have our red car. We did not select any white cars, the silver car, and the blue car, and the black car. We wanted red and black, that's seen there. And then just to show the sort by lowest, let's have another car for $100. And there's just going to be one of them. Submit. Now if we go sort from lowest to highest, that generates there. So now to show some of my code. So this is my HTML. I started out with my CarForm. All of my labels and inputs for the year, the price, the name, the model, etc. And then I added the colors just recently. And here's where you input your car URL. And I had this closed. This is the color filter, IDs, and the more interesting part in the JavaScript. So here I have my car list array set up. So I have all of my different functions. So this main function is to add the car information to the car list. So here creates a container. This is helping create the image, and then here I did use AI to help me with the zoom in function. Oh, I forgot to show that, but when you click on the images, they get larger. And yeah, the rest of the car information put into a paragraph element, so it's displayed below. And adding it to the car list. This is the function to sort the cars by price in ascending order. These are 2 similar functions. One finds the most expensive car, and then the other finds the least expensive car. And with all of these functions, I have the event listeners down here to then populate the actual information. Average price of car, filter based on the color selected, so this pulls the checkbox information here. And yeah, this gets into the event listeners. And then for my styles, I tried to go pretty basic, but I wanted the buttons to stand out, and I also wanted the form to stand out itself. So we have the general style of the body, general style of the forms, the styles for the buttons. I think I have a couple different button stylers. Yeah, here's for the submit button specifically, the CarForm button, and the other button. Looking back, I probably could have condensed this, but the buttons are styled. And where else? Yeah, this is styling the gallery itself so that it's not just a big jumble. This is defining the car image size so that they're not huge. This is helping with the zoom in and the size it is when you actually zoom it in. And yeah, calling the titles bold. This is changing the size of the selector because I just had these as paragraph tags and the rest of the text is obviously bigger. And it looked a little awkward when those words were super big, so I made them smaller. And yeah, that's the gist of it. I hope this is a satisfactory project.